Important newspapers in India's freedom struggle. UPSC previous year questions. UPSC aspirants, आज हम करने वाले हैं एक lightning fast revision of important newspapers of modern India. ये सिर्फ freedom struggle के वॉइस नहीं थे, बल्कि ब्रिटिश सेंसरशिप के खिलाफ भारत की आवाज थी और यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में एक फेवरेट फैक्चुअल एरिया है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द बंगाल गैजेट ऑफ 1780 बाय जेम्स ऑगस्टस हिकी, इंडिया का पहला न्यूज़पेपर। यूपीएससी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ऑफ 2015 वाज हु स्टार्टेड द फर्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर इन इंडिया? A direct question. The Kesari in Marathi and Maharatha in English by Bal Gangadhar Tilak were important newspapers used as tools to spread nationalist thought. The 2018 previous year question was, Kesari was published by whom? Again, a repeated question. Amrita Bazaar Patrika 1868 by Sisir Kumar Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh played key role against Vernacular Press Act of 1878. UPSC 2020 asked, which newspaper became English overnight to avoid censorship? This one, The Hindu of 1878, started by young Indian nationalists in Madras, supported moderate politics and social reform. The 2011 previous year question was, which newspaper started as a weekly from Madras? The Hindu. The Indian Mirror by Keshav Chandra Sen promoted social reform and Brahmo ideas. Early reform nationalism. The Young India by Mahatma Gandhi. Young India by Mahatma Gandhi, weekly paper spreading non-cooperation and civil disobedience messages. UPSC in 2019 asked, who used Young India for political education? Of course, Gandhiji. The Indian Opinion, started by Gandhiji in South Africa in 1903, created awareness among Indians abroad. UPSC in 2021 asked about Gandhiji's role in publishing Indian Opinion. The Al-Hilal and Al-Balag in 1915 by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad strongly criticized British rule and united Hindus, Muslims politically. The 2014 UPSC previous year question, which paper edited by Maulana Azad was banned by the British? Try Yuki, your AI UPSC study partner. AI quizzes, integrated notes and current affairs all in one place. Do visit www.askyuki.com. Smart Prep, your results.